Hello, I'm Peter Kronkleton. I'm a senior scientist with the Center for International Forestry Research, or CIFOR, based in Lima, Peru, and we're on a learning mission visit as part of the Landscape for Our Future project, which is funded by the European Union. Within the Landscapes for Our Future project, one of our roles is to carry out learning missions where we're visiting 7 different initiatives that are doing integrated landscape management in Latin America and the Caribbean. So during the week we're visiting St. Lucia and we're going to Grenada to talk to implementers that are working with integrated landscape management to understand how they're using the concept and how it's being applied on the ground.
Although we're only visiting Grenada and St. Lucia in this occasion, we've already heard of some of the initiatives in the other countries, and there is a huge challenge. This is a very ambitious project because it has projects across different countries, like 9 different countries. So it will provide an interesting case for learning for other integrated landscape management cases and projects across the world. Well, we hope you enjoy it and that you find it useful.
Yeah.